Good morning or evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, with the Craigslist Civic, we'll be installing a pair of JDM headlights. Now, I got these fine specimens off of eBay for $62 shipped. I think the black will go nicely with the silver. And they came with a pair of, I don't know, some off-brand lights that I don't care, but I'll put them in anyway. So let's get to it. So first, we're going to start off by taking off these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins that hold the front bumper cover on. Very simple. Just unscrew. And then, once they get up far enough, they should just pop right out. Now you want to make sure to be careful with these, because sometimes in these cars, these are a little old, they're a little fragile. They do tend to break. What I like to do is, every time I go to the junkyard, I'll find an old one, pull a couple off, and then just have them as spares. Just a little bit more. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing over here. And that's that. Now, if you can see what I did, I took the front, all those pins off in the bumper. That'll make it easier for us when we have to rock the bumper forward. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this screw that's right here, right inside of the fender flare. You can get right at it, Phillips head screwdriver. And if I'm not mistaken, some models might be a 10 millimeter. This thing doesn't want to seem to come out of here. Come on. There. Now that that's taken care of, we can rock the front bumper cover forward so we can get at the bolts to get into the headlight. Go. And that should be enough. Now for the rest of this process, it's just a bunch of 10 millimeters. These two on the top. The last one over here. Drop my ratchet. Since I'm running short on daylight, I already did the other side. Now we're going to do this side. This is the same process, same 4 bolts. Then I'm going to take out the headlight connection. Go. And out we come. Disconnect. Harness. Like to cooperate actually. Come out. This guy decided to give me way more trouble. It was absolutely necessary. There we go. The corner lights out. And there you go. And the install is just the opposite. Plug your harness back in. Your corner lights are good. work with it a little bit. This car may have had some body damage in the past. And voila, we're back on. Don't want to make anything too tight at first. You want to give yourself some wiggle room. All these eBay parts, sometimes they don't ever fit properly. And just like that, with about 25 minutes and a couple hand tools and 60 bucks with specialty parts from eBay. Yeah, eBay. But we have gone ahead and we have totally changed the front end of this car. It looks so much better, it's cleaner, and it brings a lot of personality. So, until the next time we see each other, which I have no idea when that's going to be. I have parts that I'm waiting for. I don't want to really reveal everything that I'm going to be doing, but it's going to be worth the watch. So, if you could, please subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell. And from then on, we'll always be connected, and you'll always be able to see me doing what you love, working on cars.